ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಜೂಲಿಯೆಟ್ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾದಂತಹ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಪುನರ್ವಿ ಎಜುಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಆಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿಕೊಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಆಫ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಜೂಲಿಯೆಟ್ written by Shakespeare, presented by Punarvi Ejusanskar. Character of Romeo. He compares Juliet beauty to nature. Romeo says that even the bright light of a torch would look dull before the brightness of Juliet. It looks like she hangs on the cheek of night. Romeo says that the beauty of Juliet is like a jewel which is hung in the ear of an African woman. Romeo says Juliet is too beautiful to belong to earth. Juliet's beauty is so vast that she cannot die and be buried in the earth. The earth cannot contain her beauty. He further says Juliet is like a white snow which is flying with other common people who belong to the species who crows. Romeo just wishes to express that Juliet belongs to divine world and living among the ordinary and common people. Romeo proposes to find the place where Juliet stood and wants to touch her blessed hand and make his own rude hand blessed. Romeo further asks a question whether he ever loved before. He feels this is the true love. Romeo thinks he has never seen a beautiful woman like Juliet before this night. Character of Juliet. Juliet is inviting the night. The night she is inviting is none other than Romeo himself. Juliet compares Romeo to night. Juliet calls Romeo a day in the night. Juliet sees night as a bird with wings on which Romeo would ride and come as a new snow. Juliet calls the night as gentle night and a black browed night. Juliet wants to nothing from the night except her love Romeo. Juliet has a realistic view of death and says even if she dies, she wants to make their love immortal. Juliet says that Romeo should from part of stars in heaven. Juliet says the presence of Rome among the stars would enrich the beauty of stars. Romeo forms the important part of the night sky. The whole world would begin to fall in love with the night. Romeo would shine so brightly in the night sky that it would even outshine the sun. Dear students, Punarvi Education School discussing some important questions for your annual examinations. Question number 1. When, according to Juliet, would Romeo make the face of heaven so fine? Answer is Romeo would become star. Second question. What does Juliet want to Romeo to be after her death? Answer: to be a star. Third question. Whom does the pause? Whom does the praise snowy dove refer to? Answer: Juliet. Fourth question. Whom does Romeo address as younger lady? Whom does Romeo address as elder lady? Answer: Juliet. Fifth question. Why does Romeo intend to touch Juliet? Answer: Romeo's rude hand is blessed. Sixth question. What does Romeo compare Juliet to? Answer is snowy dove. Seventh question. Whom does Romeo call crows? Answer is the women on the dance floor. Eighth question. What does the praise face of heaven signify in the extract from the play Romeo and Juliet? Answer is it signifies the brightness and beauty as reflected in the moon. Ninth question. What does the praise new snow suggest in Romeo and Juliet? Answer is Romeo. Tenth question. What does Juliet ask the loving black-browed knight? Answer is to bring her Romeo to her. 11th question. Who in Romeo and Juliet is compared to a rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear? Answer is Juliet. 12th question. What, according to Romeo, does Juliet teach to burn bright? Answer: the torches. Question number 13. Who, according to Romeo, to teach the torches to burn bright? Answer is Juliet. 14th question. Who, according to Romeo, seems to hang upon the cheek of night? Answer is Juliet. Question number 15. Whose beauty, according to Romeo, is too rich to use? Answer is Juliet. Question number 16. When, according to Romeo, would his hand be blessed? Answer is when Romeo touches Juliet's hand? Question number 17. Whose rude hand would be made blessed by touching Juliet's hand? Answer is Romeo. Question number 18. What, according to Romeo, was not seen by him until he saw Juliet? Answer is Romeo never saw true beauty till the night. Question number 19. Who are compared to crows by Romeo? Answer is the women on the dance floor. Question number 20. Whom does Juliet teach to burn bright? Answer is the torches. Question number 21. What does Romeo want to watch of Juliet? Answer is the place where Juliet stood. Question number 22. How is the hand of Romeo described? Answer is rude. Question number 23. Who will lie upon the wings of night? Answer is Romeo. Question number 24. How does Juliet describe Romeo? Answer is as whiter than snow on a raven's black. Question number 25th. Why will the whole world fall in love with the night? Answer is Romeo would be present in the form of stars and would make the face of heaven look fine. Question number 26. Whom will people ignore looking at the beauty of the night? Answer is the sun. Question number 27. Whom does Romeo compare the other women in the hall to? Answer is crows. Question number 28. What does Romeo ask himself after he sees Juliet? Answer is, did my heart love till now? Question number 29. How does Juliet describe Romeo? Answer is snow on raven's back. Question number 30. When, according to Juliet, would all the world be in love with the night? Answer is when Romeo is cut into stars after his death and make the face of heaven fine. Question number 31. Whom does Juliet not want the world to worship? Answer is the garish sun. Question number 32. Who, according to Juliet, is whiter than new snow? Answer is Romeo. Question number 33. Who looks as a snowy dove to Romeo? Answer is Juliet. Dear students, next we are going to discuss long question and answer. Question number 1. How does Romeo describe Juliet's beauty? Or how does Romeo glorify Juliet's flawless beauty? Or What similes does Romeo is What similes does Romeo use to convey Juliet's beauty? Or how does Romeo, mesmerized by the eternal beauty of Juliet? Or why does Romeo say he never saw true beauty till the night? Explain. Answer is Romeo happens to see Juliet for the first time at the grand supper hosted by Lord Capulet, Juliet's father. Though Romeo belongs to the Montego family and they are devoted enemies, he is strongly attracted towards Juliet. Romeo is fascinated by Juliet's beauty. Romeo feels that Juliet can teach the torches to burn bright. Juliet charms more than the brightness of the light. Juliet's beauty seems to be too rare and splendid that seems to hang upon cheek of night as rich jewel in an Ethiop's ear. Juliet's beauty is too rich for use, too dear for earth. Juliet appears to Romeo a white snowy dove, and her companions appear to be crows. Romeo wants to touch her hands and get his rude hands blessed by her soft and gentle touch. Romeo asks himself whether his heart ever loved before this moment, as he never saw such true beauty. Next question. How does Juliet express her love for Romeo? Or how, according to Juliet, would Romeo become immortalized to the world? Or how does Juliet draw attention towards gentle knight and garish sun in Romeo and Juliet? Or comment on the imagery of night, day, black, white in the poem Romeo and Juliet. Or Juliet's love was more intense than Romeo's. Justify with reference to the imaginary and smiles
Similes.
used in the extract. Answer is Juliet asks the knight to bring with it her Romeo. Romeo is a bright and a cheerful person. Juliet says that Romeo looks bright like the new snow present on the raven's back. Juliet makes it very clear that she doesn't want to give up Romeo even after her death. Juliet tells the knight that after she dies, take her Romeo and turn him into little stars. According to her, if Romeo is turned into stars, then the night will be so beautiful and bright that the entire world will fall in love with the night, and no one will look at the garish sun, considering it to be harsh and glaring, and start liking the night sky. This way Romeo always live, and he will be immortalized. Furthermore, when I shall die and cut him out in little stars, and heaven are expression that clearly refer to death and immortality. Next question. How is the intensity of love between Romeo and Juliet brought out in the poem Romeo and Juliet? Or between Romeo and Juliet, whose love do you think is more passionate and intense? Why? Or whose love do you think is more passionate and intense in Romeo and Juliet? Explain. Or how did Romeo and Juliet express their romantic love feelings to each other in the poem Romeo and Juliet? Answer is Romeo and Juliet express their passionate love each other very effectively. Romeo feels surprised and glorifies his love. Juliet's beauty to the essential as she looks beyond his imagination. He feels that her beauty betters the brightness of colorful lights in the dark night. Through the simile, he compares Juliet's matchless beauty to a rich jewel in a black Ethiop's ear, and she seems shining in the dark cheek of night. Romeo is truly fascinated by her rare beauty and decided to watch her place of stand on the dance floor, which seems sacred spot after the dance. Though he is handsome prince himself, he feels his rude hand to be blessed by touching her smooth and shiny hands. Finally, he self introspects himself by asking whether his heart loved anybody before and clarifies that this is his first true love with Juliet. This is how Romeo brightly glorifies Juliet's perfect beauty in his speech. Juliet also equally feels a wonderful birth of love for Romeo, a man from the enemy family. She invites both the knight and her love, Romeo, to come to her as soon as possible. She longs for the gentle night to fall in Juliet's imagination. Romeo seems as a bright day, though it is dark night. She believes that he brightens her life. He looks whiter than the new snow on a raven's back, which is compared to the night and glows by surpassing the dark night. She thinks that he definitely comes in the night to see her as he cannot see her during day. She wishes to make her Romeo an immortal being by requesting the night to take him and cut him out in little stars in the sky after her death, so that he will make the face of heaven so fine. She convinces the night that Romeo replaces the garish sun by glowing in the night. Then people stop to fear for night. She feels that people fall in love with the night and forget to worship the sun in the old world. In this way, Juliet expresses her implicit feelings towards Romeo and makes him an immortal and eternal being. Juliet's love was much more passionate and intense than that of Romeo. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಐಕಾನ್ ಬೆಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪಾಠದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.